Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Yes, and today I am going to explain this topic, transposition method for solving linear equations in one variable. Okay, and it is the third video for this week. So let's start, students. First we want to explain this transposition method. Okay, so this is what any term of an equation may be taken from one side to the other side with a change in its sign. This does not affect the equality of the statement. That means it is not affecting the equality of the statement. This process is only called the transposition. That means here, with a change in its sign, only you have to change the sign. The negative sign you will make positive, and positive sign you will convert to negative. Okay, when you are taking the term, any term from one side to the other side. But this is not, if you are doing so, this does not affect the equality of the statement. This process is only called transposition, such as when it is written that 2x plus 5 equals to 10. Okay, then you can write that 2x equals to 10 minus 5. That means this 5 you can take on the right side, and on the right side you will see that its sign is changed. Minus 5 I have written, because on left side it is plus 5, then on right side you will write it is minus 5. So ultimately 2x equals to 10 minus 5 means 5 only. Okay, so this process is only called the transposition. Now solve these questions. For example, to understand this transposition, so 5x plus 9 equals to 24. So we will write first that the equation is given 5x plus 9 equals to 24. Then we can write that 5x plus 9 equals to 24 minus 9. This 9 you can take on right side, okay, and you may write that minus 9. Its sign you will change from plus 9 to minus 9, because you have taken it from left side to the right side. This 9 term you have taken from LHS side to RHS side. Okay, now this will give the value. That step is transposing 9 from LHS to RHS. Okay, you are transposing 9 from LHS to RHS. That is equals to 24 minus 9, you will write that 15. So 5x equals to 15 means x equals to, now you will divide. In this step what we are doing, one of the step from the balancing method, that divide the LHS both the sides by the same number 5. To cancel this 5 into one time and 5 into one time. So both the sides divide by 5, then it will give 5 into 1. That you will do easily. So we can do here that 5 into 1, and then 5 into 1 time here also, then 5 into 1 and 5 into 3 times. 5 into 3, 15. That means here the step is dividing both the sides by 5. So that therefore x equals to 3. If you have cut the 5 only from left side, that means we can say x equals to 3. This is the solution of the given linear equation. Now second number is 3x minus 16 equals to 20. So here what you will do, this transpose this minus 16 from LHS to RHS. Then it will become 3x equals to 20 plus 16. That I am going to do. So we have 3x minus 16 equals to 20. Then we can write that 3x equals to 20 plus 16. This step is what? Transposing minus 16 from LHS to RHS. Okay. So that side it will be plus 16. If left side it is written minus 16 here, then on the other side its sign you will change. You will make just opposite. That means opposite of minus is plus here. So you will write plus 16. Then That means 3x equals to 20 plus 16 is 36. Now divide both the sides by 3 to remove this 3 from left side so that you can find the value of x. The same you can do by this also, that this 3 you can take on right side. By transposition method, if you will do that, if 3 is multiplying, this 3 you can see it is multiplying on the left side, then on the right side it can divide also. Okay, that means operation becomes opposite. The multiplication, it will change to division. Okay, on the other side, on the 3 is multiplying on the left side, but 3, the same number 3 will divide on the right side. So here I have shown this step also by transposition method. Okay, so 36 by 3 means x 3 into 1 time and 3 into 12 time. That means x equals to 12. This is the solution. This is the value of x for the given equation. Okay, now the third equation is this type of equation given 2m plus 5 by 3 equals to 3m minus 10. Okay, this is also a linear equation in one variable. So how we will solve this? We have this equation 2m plus 5 by 3 equals to 3m minus 10. Then we can write, to remove this 3 you will multiply both the sides, the LHS and RHS by 3. Then we can cut this 3 into 1 time, we will cut that. 3 into 1 and 3 into 1 time we will cut that. So what is remaining? That only 2m plus 5 on left side, and right side it will 3 will multiply to this 3m also and to this 10 also. So 3 into 3m is 30m and 3 into 10 is minus 30. So that I am writing here. So it is 2m plus 5 equals to 9m minus 30. 3 into 3 9 and 3 into 10 it is 30 here. Now transpose this 5 from LHS to RHS, or you can write that this also, transpose this minus 30 from RHS to LHS, and this 2m you can take to this side, RHS side, and this minus 30 you take towards the left side. Okay, so that I am going to do here. So that will be 5 plus 30 minus 30. If we will take on this side minus 30, you are taking minus 30 on this side, then in this side it is plus 30, and this 2m you will take on this side. Then if on the left it is plus 2m, then right side you will write it is minus 2m. Okay, minus 2m. Then 9m minus 2m is 7m. Algebraic expression subtraction, monomial subtraction, it is 9m minus 2m is 7m, and it is 5 plus 30, you will get 35. Then you can write that 35 equals to 7m. That means now divide both the sides of the equation by 7, or directly you can do that 7 is multiplying here on RHS, then it will divide on left side. So you can write m equals to 35 by 7. That means m equals to, here you will write 7 into 1 7 and 7 into 5 35. That means m equals to 5. So this way you can solve the equations by this transposition method also. Now your homework, to complete exercise 7a, question number 14 to 23, solve these linear equations only. Such types of questions are given. So I hope it is all clear to you. So now thank you all of you.